Today we're going to teach you guys how we do money with the kids in this house. So at the beginning of every month, we give the kids 1% of everything they have in their savings. So if they have $600 in their savings, they get $6 every single month at the first of every month. So Valen actually does have $600 in his savings. Alvin has about $400. So Alvin gets $4, and Valen gets $600.
They get $6.
$6, you're right. All right, and how we do it is we do it in quarters. So we have laundry machines, so we have a lot of quarters. And what we do...
I have a lot of dollars in here.
You do have a lot of dollars in here. So we have different kinds of jars. What kind of jars do we have here?
We have a robot jar.
Yeah, this is the family contribution jar. And then the boys each have 3 jars for themselves.
This one is a spending jar.
Spending jar.
Giving jar.
Giving jar.
Saving.
Saving jar. So we have a saving, spending, and giving jar. And then we do have a 4th jar. It's called family contribution. And we have...
I don't know what is which.
Yeah, yours is saving, giving, spending. Okay? And we have recommended allocations. We say you should put 40% to your savings, 20% to giving, 20% to spending, and 20% to your family, right? To help with rent and housing costs and things like that. But we let them do whatever they want. So at the beginning of each month, we give, Alvin gets $4, and he gets a little more because he has actually a pretty decent savings growing here. So we'll give him 1% of whatever he has saved in there too. So he gets about $4.50 at this point. So that's $2.
For this one?
Yep. Can you stand over there so everyone can see what's going on? All right, you guys can start unscrewing your caps, okay? $3, $4, and 50 cents. Because you have about $450 at this point with everything you've saved. Because you guys have done a good job saving. They've been making a lot of money this summer. Previously, they've only been making money by rolling quarters for us. Because like I said, we have a lot of laundry machines, and this is a job that they can do. You know, it's something that actually adds value to the family, and it's something that, as a 4-year-old and 6-year-old, they're very capable of doing. And we give them a quarter for every $10 roll they roll. Cool. So I tape them shut so they don't roll around everywhere. Okay, keep going, Alvin. And yeah, so this is their job. This is how they can make a little extra income. And, you know, one of the few things that we use to help fund their Roth IRA too at a young age.
Actually,
Alvin, how old are you?
3.5.
3.5. When are you're gonna turn 4 soon though, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Do you like doing this job and making money?
I do.
What about you, Valen?
I've
Okay.
been doing it since I was 3.
Okay. So, Alvin, here's your quarters. Feel free to put in any way you want. You know, you can give some to the family. You can put some towards spending. You can put some in giving. You can put some in saving. So whichever one you want to put in. But that's okay to give.
Give some to you, Daddy, too.
Thank you. And where else do you want to put it?
I want to put
Okay, Valen gets $1. How's your saving doing? Saving's doing pretty good.
Yes, today's a new month.
$2. Yes.
Wow. So you get new month card, don't you?
$3. Well, it's not exactly the new month, but it's pretty close. $4.
Oh, so you don't get a new box card?
Not till the new month, which is in 2 days. $5.
I give a lot of
$6.
quarters to you, Daddy.
And $1/4, because it looks like you have about $25 in there. Okay. So
I put some of my money in your
So that's pretty
jar.
much how it goes on the first of the month, and that's how, you know, this is instead, they don't get any kind of allowance, they just get 1% interest, you know, so they're practicing investing, they're learning allocations, they're learning, so they're really not supposed to touch anything from their saving jar. If they ask us, they can touch it. Their giving jar, you know, when they go to things like Sunday school, they'll give from that. And for their spending jar, they can take from freely. And they don't usually carry that jar around. They'll have like a little purse like this, and they'll put their quarters in. So if we're going to a garage sale or something, they'll quickly fill up their wallet, and we'll go out and they can spend from that. But spending does not accrue that 1% interest. Only what's in their savings jar and what's in their bank account. So their bank account actually holds the majority of their money, and what they've gained this summer, I guess, is in here. And look, Alvin's got some green in there. That's pretty good, Alvin.
Green.
Green dollars is what I meant.
Oh. Is
So,
green dollars good?
Green dollars is really good. You want a lot of green dollars.
Why?
Because for every green dollar you have, we'll give you 1 penny. And if you have 100 green dollars, we'll give you a whole dollar.
What?
Yeah. So another way the boys made money this summer is a lemonade stand. We had a garage sale, and right next to the garage sale, we put a little lemonade stand. So we had all this foot traffic coming in. And what would you guys say when the lemonade people came, or the garage sale people came? Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. What a good day for a garage sale.
Sir, do you want a lemonade?
Oh, that sounds lovely. Have you been selling a lot of lemonade today?
No.
Oh, how'd yesterday go?
Really well.
Really well. Do you like making monies?
Yeah. Do you want a cup of lemonade?
Yeah, Alvin was actually a really good salesman. He got a lot of people to buy. But you guys made like $120 in one day selling lemonade. We had to run back to Walmart to get more cups and stuff. And they bought the supplies. So they paid their own money to buy the supplies. And they had to reinvest in their business when, the first cups ran out, when the first lemonade ran out. So they were kind of learning. And then they split it as partners. They split the income as partners. So they each got around like $60. And yeah, that's where a lot of this savings came from. You have 400 green dollars already, right? You have $400?
I think.
So that's why we give you $4. And you have about $50 in here, so we'll give you 50 extra cents. But as soon as that $50 turns into $100, we'll give you a whole extra dollar every month. Yeah. So it's pretty exciting to give them 1% interest every month. It encourages them to put into the savings jar rather than the spending jar. Because the kids love going to the garage sales, right?
And we went to garage sale today, and I got a pumpkin carving
You got what?
set. I got a pumpkin carving set.
A pumpkin carving set. Yeah. So they're learning about spending, they're learning about saving, and they're learning about giving. And they're learning to, help out with the family. Because the family, they get to live here, and they get to help us out too. So we're all a family working together. And yeah. Anything else you want to say, boys?
No.
No.
Bye.
Bye.